Hey guys, welcome to the iconic MGM Grand Casino in Las Vegas. Known for its massive site and unmistakable green exterior, the MGM Grand is one of the largest hotels in the world and home to one of the most exciting casinos on the strip. As soon as you walk in, you are hit with the classic Vegas energy. Lights flashing, slot ringing, and people from all over the world testing their luck. The casino floor is huge, covering over 15,800 square meters, packed with everything from penny slot to high-stake poker tables. Penny slot machines are some of the most popular games in the MGM Grand and across Las Vegas. Don't let the name fool you, though. While you can technically bet as little as 1 cent per line, most machines have multiple pay lines and minimum bets, so spins usually cost more. Still, they are fun and low-stake way to enjoy the casino vibe. The flashing lights, cashing sounds, and bonus features make them super engaging, even if you are not a high roller. Whether you are here to win or just soak in the fun, penny slots offer a stake of classic Las Vegas charm. The MGM Grand is not just about gambling. It's one of the biggest top spots for world-class entertainment. One of the biggest highlights, David Copperfield, the legendary illusionist who's been performing here for years. His shows blends mind-blowing magic with storytelling and high-tech visuals. Whether it's making objects disappear or reading your mind, Copperfield's performance keep you questioning reality from start to finish. But the magic doesn't stop there. The MGM Grand also hosts KI by the Cirque du Soleil, a jaw-dropping production that combines martial arts, acrobatics, and gravity-defying stunts, all on rotating stage. It's one of the most visually stunning shows in Vegas. The MGM Grand Garden Arena brings even more star power, hosting major concert, championship boxing matches, and award shows. Everyone from Beyoncé to UFC fighters has taken the stage here. You'll also find a rotating lineup of comedy acts, musical performance, and special events throughout the year. So even if gambling is not your thing, MGM Grand makes sure your night is packed with unforgettable entertainment. And the legendary MGM Grand Garden Arena, where major concerts and sports events take place also. And if you're staying the night, the hotel has over 6,800 rooms. Yeah, you heard that right. It's basically a small city. Whether you are here to win big or just soak into the atmosphere, the MGM Grand delivers that larger-than-life Vegas experience. Let's keep exploring. There's so much more to see in the Strip. Hey guys, I hope you like the walking tour here in the MGM Grand Casino. So remember, as usual, click like, subscribe, comment below, and I hope that sometime you can just come here and enjoy yourself. Remember, whatever happens in Vegas, it stays in Vegas. Cheers!